I'll see you like poke it in the eye. Now give me a serve. Yeah, but clear. Okay, mama. What? That's
Hello! Happy October! I know this is going up well into October, but the time has come. Have you carved a pumpkin yet? A lot to catch up on, both in things that have happened and things that I think are going to happen. I don't think I'm a very good communicator. I don't know what phase of my life I missed out on, but I'm realizing that in a lot of my friendships, I'll be very close with people, and then a few months into it, I tend to get this response often, which is they feel like they don't know a lot about me, or that like I don't say as much, it's not like a mutual. It's hard and weird and very raw to figure out. You can't really be like 50% in a friendship. I mean, you can if that's the kind of friendship you want. I don't think those friendships are the types that I love. I love full disclosure, boundaries, but not crazy. Like I love when the friends that I have feel like people I can be myself with, and I don't know. One of those friends is my friend Ava, and a few weeks ago we went to Charlotte. I think if I was to retire in the next 5 years, that would be my destination of choice.
You should use me. There's no rush. You should use me. There's no rush. You should use me. There's no rush. You should use me. There's no rush.
I think this is quite possibly the worst thing I've ever done. I just went to the gym and realized that I quite literally left bread in the oven. I thought this was about to be my best loaf yet, but my electric bill is going to be very high. Cheers. This is so unfortunate.
feel like if you're the type of person that cuts crusts off of your sandwiches, this is like your worst nightmare. I keep going in and out of recording and not recording, so these are just random bits from my day. Busy week this week. I have 3 oral presentations, all different subjects, all different classes, so lots of memorization. I also really want to cut my hair.
Okay, we'll start with the beginning. How about we play the da, we play that twice, like all the way through. Right. And the chords, tapping again, chords, and then go to the da. Yeah, okay. Look at us for the da. Yeah.
This week, my friend Rose and I made a Green Chef meal. I got my box full of 3 different meals, and we started with the kale and stuffed peppers.
And I tried so hard to open this, and I think I put the little thingy on there.
This is Rose.
Hello.
We're gonna make kale and bean stuffed peppers.
Yum.
People say we look related.
Okay, wait, let's think of a word.
Okay.
Just a random word?
Yeah, just any word.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Trash can. Okay, how about a place in the world?
Just anywhere?
Yeah.
Just geography? Okay.
Okay, anything.
1, 2, 3.
The
The West
West
Nile.
Nile.
Oh my god! We're twins.
If you've never heard of Green Chef, here's a little breakdown. They're a meal delivery service that caters to a variety of diets: vegan, vegetarian, keto, paleo, Mediterranean, gluten-free. They're also a CCOF certified organic company, so you can be sure that all of the ingredients that they send to you are fresh and yummy and ready to use. You don't have a strainer, right?
I'll let you answer that question.
Green Chef offers 24 weekly meal choices per week, so if you decide to order meals week after week, you never have to worry about getting bored of your options. You can switch it up.
Oh, you know what I don't have?
What?
An oven mitt.
Towel?
Yeah.
I've never had a Green Chef meal that hasn't excited me. I get cooking inspiration, I learn new techniques, I mess around with new ingredients, and every single one I've tried has been delicious. So whether it's for a learning experience, time management, or because Green Chef offers really yummy meals, I think it's a great option for college students and anyone who's looking to get their hands a little dirty in the kitchen.
Oh. I've only ever cut things.
This is a thing.
But it's like leaves. Like I spend a lot of time at work every day cutting other
Like big things, like potatoes.
I feel like there's a really bad joke here, but that's not what I'm saying. I don't even have a fan to offer you.
Okay, I like sweating.
Me too.
Okay, now we roast peppers.
I was leaving it there for my little roach friend.
Oh, well now it's in small pieces so you can adjust it. Okay, good.
The stuffed peppers were fantastic. If you're interested in trying out Green Chef, use my code HALLIE135 for $135 off across 5 boxes and free shipping on your first box of meals. Go to greenchef.com for more details. There'll also be a link in my description box. Why, hello. It's Saturday. A football game is going on. I have yet to go to one. Attend a real game in the stadium, you know, hot dog in one hand, team spirit in the other. But at least I celebrate them by watching them on the TV. And I'm going to go to one this semester, I promised myself. This weekend though, I think my friends and I are just gonna cook and tailgate. I got a new couch. Ignore the mess. So this yellow one is just kind of here. It's not a long-term thing. I know it looks wrong, but Frank uses it as a cat tree. Do you see what? Step 2. Quarter the limes, squeeze juice from 1 to 2 lime wedges over a small bowl. Half an onion. Yum. Getting ready to go here. Last few steps are just mixing everything together. My roasted veggies. And a packet of chimichurri sauce. And I think this is the finishing touch. My friends are picking up some hot dogs at the store, so we're gonna do a little grill, minus the grill. I actually paid $75 for a grill and procrastinated the pickup date. Found out that the seller of the grill left it where I was supposed to pick it up because he moved away. And when I went to go retrieve the grill a few months too late, it was gone. So we're gonna be grilling on a panini press.
Oh, it looks so good.
See you later.
You said
It literally stinks.
To smudge?
Yeah, like it's a one-sided.
you said you me.
That's not very classic.
As always, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for keeping up with me. It's been an exciting first semester so far. I feel like I haven't been filming as much of it, but I think it's a good thing. I feel like I'm spending less time worrying about how to make my life into content and more time experiencing it and capturing what I can, you know? It just feels a little bit more true to me, which I like. Yeah. Miss you already. I'll see you in a couple weeks.